run out. You've lost the battle.
Don't rub it in, turkey!
Get out of my way, Bailey. We're coming through.
Not so fast, Raymond. This building is our home. Has been for 25 years. This ought to be fun.
We're serious, Raymond. Dead serious.
The law is against you.
Since when has Eric Raymond cared about obeying the law?
All right, you've been warned. Let's roll! We're coming through!
Before you demolish the building, you're going to have to demolish us.
Wait! Stop the bulldozers! You can't demolish the building! As of right now, it's against the law!
Hold it! Stop your engines!
It's all in this document! Tell him, Mr. Wellington!
She's right, Mr. Raymond. I'm the head of the city's historical society. And because Mr. Bailey has assembled his own small museum of rock and roll history, this building has been declared an historical landmark.
An historical landmark can never be demolished.
Why, you little...
We won! We won!
Congratulations!
And you. Through it all, you're the only one who never gave up hope. And then you came up with the idea that saved everything. Guess you're never too old to learn.
Or too young.